So I'm currently on this trade right now on GU, and this trade has the power to make or break us. Get and the reason is because I'm risking 1% on this trade, aiming for 1:3. Guys, if this trade goes well, I'll be ending the trade at around $300. That is 3% profit, and if it goes bad, we'll be losing around 1%. So the trade is running in a bit of profits at the moment, but I don't know. We are hoping for the best. I will definitely keep updating you guys on how the trade is going. So this is the trade right now. We're just playing around the entry, but we keep holding. So that trade that's hit about a 1:1, and it's going well so far. At the highest point, it was around 135 $35 thereabouts, and I've gone half risk. I've reduced my risk to half. So if it goes back and hits me out at half risk, I'm very much okay with it. And if it goes to full TP, I will. That would be very nice. Actually, that would be very nice. So we are still on the trade, still holding the trade. Let's see how it goes. So something very interesting just happened now. I use DXY and GU for my direction analysis, like for my entire analysis. And right now, DXY has taken a significant high, and GU is yet to take its low. So that's it's for me, that's a reversal signal, and I've gone full break even on the trade. I was planning on going full break even on the trade by 12 noon, but due to this latest development, I've gone break even on the trade. So if it goes ahead to stop us out, that's currently okay. So, and is by 12, the London sessions, the volume in London session slowly dies down. So we have gone break even on the trade, and if it goes well, to be a very good win. But if it doesn't, stop us at break even, and yeah, regardless, it's going to be a good trade. I'll keep updating you guys. So that trade stopped us out at break even, and so far this week there hasn't been any there hasn't been much going on this week. We've had this week Monday, Tuesday, no trades. Today, Wednesday, one break even. It shows how far I've come in this trading. Last month made it about a year and 1 month that I started trading, and few months ago, I'm this kind of person that's okay. I will come to the chat, like in a day, I'm taking about 5, 6 trades, 7 trades in a day. Like if you go to my history on my MT5, you see trades, $10 trades, $6, $20 loss trade, like a lot of trades in a day. And yeah, you will make profits trading that way, but is it sufficient? No, it's not sufficient. So it shows up, and today now, I'm not the person that in a full week, I haven't even had a trade. In a full week so far, I've not had a trade, and the one I had was a break even. Nothing was stopping me from closing the trade one when it was around 160 something. But you have to take take the trade and just leave it to run. So yeah, we close the trade on break even today, and let's see if we have another opportunity during the day, or there's not going to be a trade today, and we'll move on to the next day. So yeah, today is Thursday, and I'm on this trade now on G, a buy setup. In a very, very long time, for a while now, GBP USD hasn't been buying. In my analysis, so it has just been selling, selling, selling. So today we got a buy setup on G. So we are currently on that trade right now. It's a beautiful setup, a very, very, very clean setup, and I'm on that trade now, and it's currently running, just wiggling around my entry. So the trade was good. The trade is good. The trade is good. So that was, I gave it a little bit of breathing room, and I want to let you guys in on something. I'm not going to be risking 0.5% on the account anymore. I figured there's no point of being on an evaluation account for 4 months just to pass, and risking that 0.5%. That is just the place the thing will put me in. Like, I'm going to trade the account in a very careful way, but I'm not going to be risking 0.5% on the account anymore. So on this trade now, because it's a very clean setup, I hope I hope it goes well. I gave the trade a little bit of breathing room. I'm risking about 1.6% thereabout on the trade. So I'm on the trade right now, and if it goes well, this trade is giving us a whopping 5%. So massive profit over there. So I will keep updating you guys how the trade is running. So price has gotten to about a almost gotten to 1:3, and the trade is currently running very well, but we are experiencing some slight pushback. Nothing to be scared about, but to be honest, I'm very, very scared right now, bro. Like, there's my mind is telling me to close the trade for the one it has given me, but there's still a high chance of it going to take the Asian high, which is my target for 5 hours. So I'm still holding the trade though. It's currently about 11 after 11 a.m. in the morning. So I've traded my stop loss to half risk. I'm now at half risk. So if this trade stops me out, I'm losing only about $50. So once it's 12 noon, I'll put my stop loss to break even. So this trade will be risk free, and I'll just allow it to run whatever it does. But if this trade ends up hitting me out at break even, to be like, the pain will be more than heartbreak, bro. Like, I don't just pray for that today. I don't. It will be very, very, very unfortunate. So let's see how the play turns out. I'll keep updating you guys. So I'm on a trade now on GU. Uh, that is the trade that does dirty. Like, that is the trade did me dirty. Like, so far, I've just been seeing profits in viewers. Like a lot of times when I've seen my account equity grow up to even up to 2.5% in profits. But I will leave it because I'm aiming for high RR, and I think that is affecting my win rate. Right now, my win rate is sitting on 27 to 30% win rate. It's very, very bad actually. I don't think it has been this low. Get that trade did me dirty. Like it's actually like went for a lot in profit, but just like reversed. And I ended up taking another trade same day, and it stopped me out. Yesterday was a very frustrating day, but we can't complain much. But I won't lie, I was very, very frustrated yesterday. I was very frustrated. I couldn't even make a video that yesterday because I was very frustrated. So today now I'm on a buy setup on GU. It's currently going well. I don't want to end this week in drawdown. Don't want to end this week in drawdown. So I'm currently trailing my stop loss very, very aggressively. I'm trailing my stop loss very aggressively because the trade I'm aiming for a 1:2. So another change I'm going to make to my trading is I'm not going to be going for high RR again, because I so far I've noticed that thing is good though. Catching a very, very big move is very, very good, but you miss a lot of trades. Like you give back a lot of profits, that okay, there's no harm in taking profit though. Nobody has gone broke taking profits. So that is just all about it. I think I'm going to remove that aspect, and I'm going to be aiming for my normal 1:2, because this my system. That is just the most favorable RR I can use for this my system. I don't think a 1:3 works. I don't think a 1:4 works. Definitely not a 1:5. Even if they work, it's not all the time. It's very, very occasionally. So that is from next week. I know a lot of trade that could have caught this week if I just stick to my 1:2. But we can't complain much. As I've said, it was my plan. So as my plan didn't work, you have to re-strategize. If it worked, I won't be here complaining. So we asked for it. So next week I'm going to go back to my normal RR and continue. I know after this switch, like there will be a lot of progress. Hopefully next week. The trade on G is still running. So I'll update you guys how the trade went. So as I was making the previous video, the trade that was already stopped me in profit. So I got around $150 out of that trade. As I said before, I'm now using one standard lot size. That is 1% of my capital. I'm not going to be going for 0.5% because I spoke with a very good friend of mine, very good trader of mine. So he told me that yes, it's good to be conservative in account too, but at the same time, there's no gain at all in trading evaluation accounts for months. There's no gain in that. You just like stick to your trading system. The trade has already stopped us out, as I said. So our dashboard now is sitting on around 0.7% in profit. So I'm actually leaving this week in profit. I'm done trading for today. I don't know this week and last week. I don't know which one is even better said. I think this week is more frustrating because this week was good. It was good. I went back now to do a little back testing on how this week went, and if I just stick to my 1:2, I could have left this week with like a good amount of profit. But No much talk. We go again next week.